Hi guys, welcome back. We all know that the markets in February went down, right? We are at the start of March, and I just wanted to do this quick video to share with you analysis in focus. There's one stock that I see that it is going to do pretty well throughout the rest of the year, right? In fact, maybe even next year as well. Not to delay anymore, let's go right into it, right? First thing first, a financial disclaimer: everything that I share in this video is all for educational purposes. You need to do your own due diligence, right? Okay. And also follow me on social media. If you are watching this video through YouTube, please click to my channel and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any videos that come along your way, so that you can be one of the first to benefit from watching the video, right? And also, if this video, if you feel is very beneficial to you, please help me to like and share this video so that your friends can also benefit from it too, right? So the analysis in focus that we have today here is actually Colgate-Palmolive, right? Colgate-Palmolive. It has been sold down a lot since November and established a new low in October. Let's straight away go into the chart first, and let me illustrate some of the reasons why I feel this stock is going to do really well for the rest of this year, right? Okay, so first thing first, it has established a new high, right? Since November December 2020, right? Okay, over here, like what you see here, it was a high of 86.38, right? Since November 2020, 86.41, right? That was the highest point. Since then, it has been going pretty sideways, then down a little bit, and I would say it has established a new low over here, October 2022, right? October 2022. Now, it has went up since October and came back down a little bit to around $74, like what we see here, right? Okay, and technically the chart do look really bullish, right? Especially there's a trigger here based on our profit signal here, a proprietary indicator over here that was developed by me, right? Okay, it has shown a trigger, right? And of course, this indicator is based on our trade to win formula, right? My strategy, trade to win strategy. Wherever there's a buy trigger, it will trigger a green triangle, right? So overall, I do see that the technical charts is bullish, right? Easy way to see it is through the triangle or through my formula. We know that it's going to be bullish, right? Okay. Of course, this profit signal is not 100% kind of thing, but it does work well in the long run, right? Okay, in the long run, after you take into account numerous triggers, overall it does work pretty well, right? Okay, and one important thing is that because of this trigger, we do know through our strategy, right, we don't know it is going to be bullish, right? And over here, this stock itself, the characteristic of Colgate-Palmolive is that it is quite a defensive stock, right? In fact, quite highly defensive as well, right? Why I say this is because if you look at in the past, right, it has always like over here triggered, went up, triggered, ran up, keep on going up, and you can see the correction is not a lot, right? Correction that went up, correction that went up, correction that went up, right? Okay, then this is slightly longer correction, then after that it went up again. I do see that this pattern right now is quite similar to what happened in 2017 all the way to 2018-19, right? Okay, why I say this is because you can see over here my strategy trigger once, didn't work, twice didn't work, third time it was good, right? And uh, it went pretty high lah, right? Okay, it went all the way for about 2 years, right? About 2 years, all the way up for about 2 years, which is fantastic if you did buy over here December 2018, right? So why I say this is similar to during this period, right? Right now is same as during that period, right? It's because over here it trigger January 2022, didn't work really well. Then after that it trigger again in June 2022, didn't work really well because it also went all the way down to a low or in October 2022, right? But of course December 2022 it triggered again. So what I'm trying to say is over here, trigger once, trigger twice, the third time it moved pretty well, right? Okay, and a lot of times it's seldom trigger two times don't work, and normally it will fail once, like over here it fail once, then after that it move all the way. Or like this one also, it fail once, then after that it move. So twice is very rare. I would say the third time is pretty high probability trade to win strategy move, right? Trade to win strategy move. So this is the third time this is triggering. I do think that it may just move like just in December 2018 after it trigger, right? It moved for another 2 years, right? This trigger that just happened, right, in December, right, may not move 2 years. Maybe it will move 3 years or 4 years, right? Okay, or even 1.5 years. But I do feel like this is a very high probability trade to win move, right? Okay, based on my study on my own strategy lah, right? Okay, so over here, if we were to zoom in a little bit, okay, I would say current price is already a pretty good price, right? Pretty good price to go into for it to go up, right? What do I target? I think easily by the end of the year, $80 and above, right? I do feel second half of the year it may even test $86 and higher, right? Or maybe towards the start of next year, it should already have already test $86 or maybe even broken $26, right? Okay, so having said that, what like I say, current price is already a pretty good price to get in, right? I would say even better price, maybe even $72 to $70 and below, right? $72 to $70 and below are even a better price for us to get in, right? As long this level, the low established in October 2022 is not broken, right? Okay, and very likely I feel because of our trade to win formula, based on what I shared just now, very highly unlikely this will be broken as anyway, right? So yeah, so this video on analysis in focus, I want to focus on Colgate-Palmolive because I want to share with you this stock and hopefully you can benefit from it. So to recap, like I say, sold down since November 2020 and established a new low in October, and it's near October lows, that what you see just now. And technically the chart is bullish because we have a based on my strategy trade to win formula, it has already triggered, right? And it is also historically a highly defensive stock. It doesn't retrace a lot, right? It doesn't retrace a lot in terms of price, right? And it's likely a high probability trade to win move, right? Okay, because normally it trigger once didn't move, trigger second time didn't move, trigger a third time from based on our trade to win formula, normally it moved pretty well, right? Okay, and here a good entry will be current level around $74, right? But a better entry will be around 72 or even $70 and below, right? As long the October lows is not broken, right? And I hope that this video really helps you to benefit from this analysis, and maybe months from now you get profits from this and you remember you took action because of this Colgate-Palmolive analysis in focus video, right? Okay, hopefully that's the case, right? And also, if you like I say again, subscribe to this channel if you feel like this video really helped you a lot, and also like and share this video so that your friends can benefit from my analysis in focus, especially in this video, Colgate-Palmolive, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.